electronic, accurate. Norbar launches the EvoTorque, setting a new standard in torque control. Up until now, with electric torque tools, results revealed overshooting on hard joints and undershooting on soft joints. In Banbury, United Kingdom, Norbar's challenge was to create an accurate and reliable tool with intelligent joint sensing technology. We went right back to the drawing board to search for the solution. Incorporated an efficient, maintenance-free electric motor. Designed a better motor control software. Incorporated correct torque and angle output from hard through to soft joints. We dramatically reduced noise levels and vibration levels, and completed extensive drop, cord stress, dust and water testing. All of which has resulted in an accurate, efficient, ergonomic and intelligent piece of torque equipment.
Norbar set out to develop the best electronic torque tool available, which means the most accurate, most robust, easiest to use and the quietest. And now, we're proud to present the EvoTorque.
Dynamically adjusts for joint type, unparalleled joint accuracy, proven gearbox, responsive motor-controlled software, exceptionally low noise and vibration, self-contained control box, backlit LCD user interface and thermal stability. Confident bolting requires an intelligent tool. Contact Norbar now for an EvoTorque demonstration.